Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A natural example of this color can be seen in gemstones, which are prized for their deep green hue. This color is produced by the combination of blue and yellow pigments, creating its distinct and vibrant green. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Emerald. Emerald. Rolled. Emerald. Emerald is crucial in the context of jewelry and fashion, helping gemologists and designers to create luxurious and elegant pieces. It's a precious gemstone known for its rich, green color. If you enjoyed learning about emerald, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.